Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a quick video on adding mulch to my garden. So right here we see some grass that my neighbors cut, and because they would have to go and dump it themselves, I told them no, I could use this, to provide mulch for my garden free. This grass is well taken care of, so I'm sure it has a lot of nitrogen as well. So it will not just be mulch to add moisture, but mulch to provide a high nitrogen boost to the garden. So I'm just here going through the gate now with my wheelbarrow. So I've added mulch all over, but the worms are very busy. So after a time, all the mulch is just consumed and broken down. So I have to constantly be adding mulch back to different areas. And you can see the brightness of the sun. The sun is really hot. So of course, you're going to have a lot of evaporation. So if you water in the morning, you're going to lose a lot of that to the atmosphere. So I'm just going down the rows. Here you see my nice cabbages and broccoli. The rows, of course, could be bigger, but at the time, I should have used the wheelbarrow to estimate the size of the rows, the walkways, in order to make it easier for me to navigate. So this bed is the bed that I'll be adding the mulch to. I have some onion starts here, some lettuce, and some cucumbers over there. That's at the top. And I planted some beetroot in the middle. I like to do mixed farming, trying to fit as many plants as possible in a small space, as well as plants that are unrelated as much as possible for, the best utilization of the nutrients in the ground, as well as, stuff like onions, they're like a pest repellent, the scent wards off some pests of other plants. So I try to keep them mixed together so that diseases and pests don't really carry from one to another. So basically, don't have similar plants together. There are books you can read and there are formulas, set rules, but I don't follow any rule. I just go randomly. Eventually, once I get more skilled and I do more research, I'll want, as well as if I want to expand, I don't want to follow set rules and examples because that work, because you want to have consistency and you can't risk failure. But this is just for me, so I can do that. So here I have, I'm putting the mulch between the broccolis. I try to do it about 2 inches thick. I get grass like a full wheelbarrow maybe every week, because they cut every 7 to 10 days depending on if there's rainfall, and that one wheelbarrow is enough to do 3 rows. And right here in the garden right now I have about 12 rows. So I try to spread it around, not putting the grass directly on the root of the plants, but these broccolis are not really delicate, so I can put it as close as possible, as well as if the grass is not too wet, it can go closer. But some plants are more delicate, and the grass sometimes attracts snails, and the snails can feed on your plants using the grass as a, what you call, a geolocator.